Many of you out there are constantly struggling with tight jaw muscles. You're dealing with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, PET, tinnitus, and you just can't seem to find relief. Well, I can tell you, after struggling for 2+ years with this condition of Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, very minimal tinnitus, I can give you some examples and some tools to relieve that. Alright, so the first exercise I'd like you all to try is doing chin tucks. Now, when I had tight jaw muscles myself, I didn't discover chin tucks right away. I had to do a little research first, and a couple years later, realized that they were helping. Now, I would like you all to try to do what this gentleman is doing. He's using the wall to kind of stabilize the back of his skull and keeping it aligned with his shoulders. Now, he's barely, slightly tilting his chin down to get that great stretch. A lot of videos online, they do not use the wall. And I highly recommend this is going to help you if you're new to doing chin tucks to have that stability back there to really make sure you're getting a great stretch. And this is going to benefit your jaw muscles tremendously. So let's move on to the next exercise. Now, this may look a little funny watching someone do it, but this technique is going to help loosen up the jaw muscles and release that tension. Now, this woman is taking her tongue and she's pressing it at the top of her roof of her mouth while dropping her jaw muscles. And not only is it going to release that tension, she's constantly opening and closing, which is going to help strengthen those muscles as well. Now, this is going back to the basics, but we need to make sure we take time to breathe. Literally, we need to do it in a correct way. Now, a lot of us don't think about how we're doing it, but you want to make sure to breathe deeply into the diaphragm. Now, you want to keep the upper body, so the shoulder, the neck, you want to keep that very soft. But you want to also breathe from the diaphragm, breathe from the stomach. And you want to do it in a way where you're breathing in, holding, and breathing out. Breathing in, holding, and breathing out. And you'll get a great stretch, as you can see. And you want to make sure you do this every single day. You can't just do this once a week and expect benefits. But this is going to help you really loosen up the jaw. Now, this gentleman's also explaining that what you want to do is you want to get into a hot shower. And as you see, he's massaging something called the masseter muscle, and that's a large muscle in our jaw area that gets tight over time, and I guarantee you will see benefits. Alrighty, my amazing people, just be sure to incorporate these 3 top techniques and exercises into your daily routine, and I can bet you'll feel better. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.